Hi everyone, this is Bill from Sovol. Thank you all for supporting all the times. Currently, Sovol is growing in a fast pace, and our Sovol SV01 is getting popular in 3D printing communities. We appreciate it for that and decided to give away one 3D printers and 5 boxes of Sovol filament. Plus, we will have special promotions on this giveaway. To enter the giveaway, please subscribe our channel and click the link to get an entry. I will put the link on the descriptions. The more entries you get, the higher chance you win. For promotions, whoever purchases a printer from official website, we will offer you an extra free filament for your orders. Remember, please write your preferred color on the rows when you check out. Otherwise, we don't know what color should we send to you. Some of you may not heard about Sovol SV01. As you can see, it's designed in direct drive extruders. With Python type of extruders, it can support multiple filament such as PLA, ABS, Copper, wood, PETG, and so on. So compared to Bowden extruder, you can get your printing result in more precisely and more stable. It's 95% pre-assembled printer when you unbox it. You only need to take around 10 minutes to install everything and start to print. The printing size is up to 280, 240, and 346. That will be enough for personal DIY or even education purpose. We understand power supply is quite important for a 3D printer, so we choose meanwhile power supply and cable management, so you can heat up your hot bed into 110 degrees within less than 10 minutes. Plus, it has resume printing function from power outage. For bed leveling, we leave some space for the BL touch, so it's up to you to add on a BL touch for auto bed leveling purpose. We also put a filament sensor in here to detect your materials. We still have other wonderful features for our printers. For more information, please visit our official website, sovol3d.com. Finally, we are trying our best to deliver better product quality and customer service. So if you have any great suggestion or advice, please leave your comment below or send us a message. We would love to hear your voice. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.